hiking, and there's owl. That's it. Same thing. And today we're on a nature hunt. Here's some sort of dam place. Yeah. This should go down to the water department. So,
You guys want to crawl through the pipe?
nah. So anyway, there's well, that's not the place we're going to. You follow this trail. Yeah, there's some mud over there. Bird chirping. Yeah, one of you guys watching, at least one of you guys that is watching this has been here before, because, he's been here many times. Just the three of us. Me, Lesset, and our dad. Looks like area. There's so many spider webs. Early spring. It's annoying. So much bugs coming. Dog barking. Yeah, so, there's, small path that leads to a river, but, I'm just gonna take a look at that from there. If you could see it, it's like a small waterfall. Probably didn't see it, but, if you did, comment that. There's, chipmunk that just ran up the tree. I was like 10 feet away from it, So here, there's two paths, but we're gonna go this way. And, there's the river. You can, like, see it now. Thank you. Yeah, there's a small spot here. This is kind of up to, if you're like near outside, it'll be up to your waist. So, I'm just gonna cross here. This nice area. Well, you can see through it now. Do not go in there, just go in here. I mean, like, it's so smooth, so, like, I'm not really gonna film. Well, yeah, I'm going to still be filming, but, photos. Alright, now,
You may be right.
Yes, it's refreshing. Alright, I'm just gonna get my shoes on. Okay, like this, so it doesn't like cancel. It won't cancel on me. It might just cancel any minute now, considering that it's at full battery. Oh, I see it. Whoa, it's right there.
Yep.
see another. Well, that might have been a butterfly. Yeah, scissors on. I'm going to go on this. Okay. I kind of have to go faster now because battery's getting low. Well, it's like a place in Asia, but it's really not. So there's on the pond. So we're gonna go this way first. Yeah. Well, not.
Oh, the other turtles in the water.
I thought you were gonna stick in a groove, so where are the turtles?
See the log over there? See the bright one?
Never mind, we're gonna go this way first. Thing down there. Set on my cross. Down here, like a tiny escape here. I say a good place to lay a one-person air mattress and sleep there. Mud pit down there. Screams. Ghost. That smells. Oh my gosh, that really smells. Anyway. Yeah, there's another little escape there. We have Goliath roots here. This is the fun part. This is a small escape that leads onto a log with I don't see the turtles. They're over there.
Just on left. You want to jump. You on the log there?
Come here.
See the other end of the log?
Yeah, let me zoom in. It's that small thing on that rock. That's from the turtle. So, moving on. Hello, turtle. Yeah, this one should give you a closer view, better view. Not really better, but, see it? Alright. Well, you can't really. But I'm not gonna wait for you guys to just there's another short peak there, bended tree. There's another steep short place there. Sylvia's place, bottom. Another one there, another one there. And there's what I call Beaver Bridge. I don't know what built this, but it's a bridge. There's a path there, but
Let's take that path.
yeah, there's nothing exciting over there, except the cool looking rocks. But we'll get to the
path we've never taken before.
Whoa, that's cool. We've never taken this path yet. Well, we might have, but I did the split. Up or down?
Let's go down, see what we see. There might be a no trespassing sign right here. Yep, there is.
Alright, top then. Okay. So, clear 5 minutes left of this video, so, there's another split. This way, alright. Okay.
Get a nice view of another pond.
You say it's badass?
Yeah. George truck. Whoa.
Yep, there's on the view. Oh, there's bars. Gotta clean that. Yeah, I like to scream when we get home. Anyway. Spider done. Okay, this might be a split here. Nope, it's not a split. Well, my legs are getting tired. Spider. Yep. Spider.
Easy. Gotta go, Spider. Yeah, just walk around this way. We won't wreck this stuff.
Yeah. Oh. This hurts more than getting bit by a spider.
What a view, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So. Okay, that's gonna be a rough start heading back. Like, the trail ends here. Well, it might. Hang on. Nope, it keeps going.
Just said, not even the deer come through here.
Okay, just a few bushes. Ow. Well. I can't believe I still have AT&T Wi-Fi over here. Yeah, forget about the path. Yeah, forget the path.
Can you get on the spruce trees down there? See all the spruce trees going?
Well,
That's
see 'em?
insane.
You guys want to head back?
I think so too. Those are Norwegian spruce trees, they look like.
Do you guys think we should head back?
No, they're made from Norway. You know, Finn, I think we're not too far from Richard's house. I see a clearing over here. That's probably the backside of his cranberry bog. But if you want to head back, you can head back. It is pretty windy. It's not supposed to be 40 miles an hour. It must be, we're in the middle of the woods with a bunch of dead trees hanging around.
Yeah, let's get out. Sorry, Richard, for not visiting your house, but
Maybe some other day.
yeah, probably next time.
I'm psyched you can see the pond. That's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna end the video here, so, I'll see you after this video, and, leave a like.